clean starts here. Rapizyme Plus Wipes. Rapizyme Plus Wipes are advanced cleaning wipes formulated with a unique blend of 4 enzymes and surfactants, specifically designed for the pre-cleaning of medical devices. These wipes offer multiple benefits. They are multi-enzymatic detergent wipes that fully comply with endoscope cleaning and disinfection guidelines. Ideal for use in procedures such as endoscopy and bedside cleaning, they effectively break down and remove blood, body tissue residues, carbohydrates, and other human-derived materials. With Rapizyme Plus Wipes, pre-cleaning medical devices is faster, safer, and more reliable. Before you begin, make sure to wear the recommended personal protective equipment. Pull out the appropriate number of wipes from the pack. Next, thoroughly wipe the surface of the medical device until all contamination is removed. Remember, do not reuse wipes. Finally, dispose of the used wipes in the designated waste bin.